Hello all, good morning. In this video, we will learn about types of triangle. Types of triangle. There are 6 types of triangle. Based on sides, we have 3 types. First one is based on sides. We have equilateral triangle. Second one, isosceles triangle. Third one, scalene triangle. Okay, now based on angles, first one, acute angled triangle. Second one, right angled triangle. Third one, obtuse angled triangle. Okay, so in total we have 6 types of triangle. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So there are 6 types of triangle. Based on sides 3 types, and based on angles 3 types. So these are the triangles based on sides. These are the 3 types of triangle based on sides. So this is equilateral triangle. Okay, what is equilateral triangle? If all the 3 sides are equal, then it's a equilateral triangle. Here you can see, for every triangle it should have 3 sides. This is first side, second side, third side. Here the 3 sides are equal. If the 3 sides are equal, then it's a equilateral triangle. Here this is isosceles triangle. In the case of isosceles triangle, out of the 3 sides, 2 sides are equal. Here you can see that these 2 sides are equal. This is not equal to the other 2 sides. So if 2 sides are equal, then it's a isosceles triangle. Now this is scalene triangle. All 3 sides are different. Okay, so this is the third type based on sides, scalene triangle. Here all the 3 sides are different. For example, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Here you can see all the 3 sides are different. So this is a scalene triangle. So now before getting to the types of triangle based on angles, let's learn some types of angles. Okay, so you can see these are some types of angles. You can see this is less than 90 degree, right? This is less than 90 degree. If the angle is less than 90 degree, we call it as acute angle. Okay, if the angle is 90 degree, if the angle is equal to 90 degree, then it's right angle. We call it as right angle. If the angle is greater than 90 degree, then it's called obtuse angle. Okay. Okay, now let's convert these angles into triangle. So this is acute angled triangle. Why? Here for every triangle we know that there are three angles. 1, 2, 3. Three angles are there for a triangle. So in acute angled triangle, all the angles are less than 90 degree. All the angles are less than 90 degree. If all angles are less than 90 degree, it's acute angled triangle. If any one angle is equal to 90 degree, then it's right angled triangle. Here you can see, here one angle is 90 degree. So if one angle is 90 degree, it's a right angled triangle. Now here you can see one angle is obtuse angle, that is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. If one angle is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, then it's a obtuse angled triangle. So in the case of obtuse angled triangle, any one angle should be greater than 90 degree. In this figure you can see the types of triangles. There are 6 types of triangle. First 3 is based on angles and other 3 is based on sides. So in the case of angles, types of triangle based on angles. First type, right angled triangle. You can see in the figure. In this case, one angle is equal to 90 degree out of the 3 angles. In the case of acute angled triangle, all the 3 angles are less than 90 degree. In the case of obtuse angled triangle, one angle should be greater than 90 degree. Now the types based on sides. First one, equilateral triangle. All the sides are equal. In the case of isosceles triangle, 2 sides are equal. Out of the 3 sides, 2 sides are equal. Now last one, in the case of scalene triangle, all the 3 sides are in different lengths. Okay, so these are the types of triangles. 3 is based on angles and 3 is based on sides.